Hello everyone, JohnnyThunderEAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 2 outlook. Before I get started, I am filling in for SPC Convective Outlooks for the Day 2 outlook. He lost power around 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon, so because of that, his internet also got cut out due to the power outage, so we don't know when he's going to get his power back, so I am filling in for him for the Day 2 outlook video. And the Day 2 outlook has to be out as soon as possible, so I am filling in for him for the Day 2 outlook. But anyway, we have two slight risk areas tomorrow. One's broad, one's small. So anyway, this broad slight risk area over here encompasses central and southeastern Colorado, eastern New Mexico, west central and northwestern Texas, southern Kansas, all of Oklahoma, southern Missouri, most of Arkansas, northern Mississippi, northern Alabama, northwestern Georgia, far southwestern North Carolina, far southwestern Virginia, most of Tennessee, most of Kentucky, southern Indiana, and south central Illinois. And the other slight tomorrow, which is a smaller slight, encompasses far southeastern Vermont, south central New Hampshire, most of Massachusetts, and northern Connecticut. Cities in tomorrow's slights include Memphis, Tennessee, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Nashville, Tennessee, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Colorado Springs, Colorado. And we have a broad marginal tomorrow that encompasses southeastern Wyoming, a tiny bit of west central Nebraska, parts of Colorado, parts of New Mexico, parts of Texas, parts of Kansas, central Missouri, southern Arkansas, northern Louisiana, central Mississippi, central Alabama, parts of Georgia, the northwestern half of South Carolina, much of North Carolina, central Illinois, parts of Indiana, northeastern and east central Kentucky, most of Ohio, all of West Virginia, the western half of Virginia, northwestern Maryland, the Maryland Panhandle, much of Pennsylvania, northern New Jersey, much of New York State, parts of Connecticut, all of Rhode Island, eastern Massachusetts, much of Vermont, much of New Hampshire, and southwestern Maine. Cities in tomorrow's marginal include Columbus, Ohio, Charlotte, North Carolina, Boston, Massachusetts, Denver, Colorado, and Atlanta, Georgia. Going to the tornado threat for tomorrow. There is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that encompasses southeastern Colorado, eastern New Mexico, the Panhandle of Texas, northwestern Texas, southwestern Kansas, all of Oklahoma, and a little bit of northeastern Texas, southern Missouri, most of Arkansas, far northwestern Mississippi, much of Tennessee, south central Illinois, southwestern Indiana, and the western half of Kentucky. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area tomorrow include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Memphis, Tennessee, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Nashville, Tennessee, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Lubbock, Texas. Going to the wind threat for tomorrow. There are two areas where we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. One covering southeastern Colorado, southern Kansas, eastern New Mexico, western and northwestern Texas, all of Oklahoma, southern Missouri, most of Arkansas, northern Mississippi, northern Alabama, northwestern Georgia, far southwestern North Carolina, most of Tennessee, far southwestern Virginia, most of Kentucky, southern Indiana, and south central Illinois. And the other 15% wind risk area tomorrow encompasses far southeastern Vermont, south central New Hampshire, much of Massachusetts, and northern Connecticut. Cities in the 15% wind risk areas tomorrow include Memphis, Tennessee, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Nashville, Tennessee, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Louisville, Kentucky. And there is a broad 5% wind risk area tomorrow. The 5%, The 5% wind risk area tomorrow encompasses parts of Colorado, parts of New Mexico, central Kansas, parts of Texas, central Missouri, southern Arkansas, northern Louisiana, central Mississippi, central Alabama, parts of Georgia, the northwestern half of South Carolina, much of North Carolina, central Illinois, parts of Indiana, much of Ohio, northeastern and east central Kentucky, northeastern Tennessee, all of West Virginia, the western half of Virginia, northwestern Maryland, the Maryland Panhandle, much of Pennsylvania, northern New Jersey, much of New York State, parts of Connecticut, most of Rhode Island, eastern Massachusetts, parts of Vermont, parts of New Hampshire, and southwestern Maine. Cities in the 5% wind risk area tomorrow include Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, Charlotte, North Carolina, Boston, Massachusetts, and Denver, Colorado. Going to the hail threat for tomorrow. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. That encompasses southeastern Colorado, southwestern Kansas, eastern New Mexico, western and northwestern Texas, much of Oklahoma, and west central Arkansas. Cities in the 15% hail risk area tomorrow include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Colorado Springs, Colorado, Lubbock, Texas, Amarillo, Texas, and Pueblo, Colorado. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is where we have the black dashed area encompasses southeastern Colorado, southwestern Kansas, western Oklahoma, including the Oklahoma Panhandle, parts of northwestern Texas, and northeastern and southeastern New Mexico. The black dashed area is the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. Cities in the black dash tomorrow include Lubbock, Texas, Amarillo, Texas, Pueblo, Colorado, Hobbs, New Mexico, and Plainview, Texas. Again, black dash meaning the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. And there are 2 areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. One covering southeastern Wyoming, a tiny bit of western Nebraska, parts of Colorado, parts of New Mexico, parts of Texas, northeastern Oklahoma, parts of Kansas, southern half of Missouri, most of Arkansas, southern Illinois, southern Indiana, most of Kentucky, most of Tennessee, northwestern Georgia, northern Alabama, and northern Mississippi. And the other 5% hail risk tomorrow encompasses southeastern Vermont, southern New Hampshire, most of Massachusetts, northern Rhode Island, and northern Connecticut. Cities in the 5% hail risk tomorrow includes Memphis, Tennessee, Boston, Massachusetts, Denver, Colorado, Nashville, Tennessee, and Tulsa, Oklahoma. So in summary, scattered severe thunderstorms are expected from the southern high plains to the Tennessee and lower Ohio valleys on Friday into Friday night. Damaging winds and a couple of tornadoes are the main hazards. Large to very large hail is possible over the southern high plains. Additional severe storms producing damaging wind gusts are possible across portions of southern New England. Additional severe storms producing damaging wind gusts are possible across portions of southern New England Friday afternoon. So, that's the day's outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, and I'll go over this again tomorrow morning. Take care.